Guys, I'm back at it again with a brand new tutorial today. I'm going to be bringing you the latest codes for Rivals Roblox. Many of my subscribers have been hounding me for this tutorial, so before I begin, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm currently running a giveaway, so be sure to leave a comment below. Now, let's get raw into it. I'm gonna go to my internet browser, and I've literally been searching all day long for the latest codes. Now, most of these websites on Google either have outdated codes or just ones that aren't very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of the latest codes that I have collected. Now, what you guys wanna do now is go to your search bar right here, and we're going to go ahead and type in dropcoupons.com. So go ahead and zoom in so you know exactly how to spell it. So dropcoupons.com, there we are. So once you guys type it in, click search and it will take you to the website. Now this website has a bunch of different coupons and different codes for different games and such. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to find the Rivals codes. So click the search bar at the very top. We're gonna go ahead and just type in Rivals, and you'll see right here, Rivals Roblox. They have 5 digital coupons. So click this button right here and there we are. So they are verified. I've actually tested one of these today and I had no issues with it whatsoever. You can see over 200 people have used this. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll down and I'm gonna show you some of the codes that they have available. This one will unlock all weapons, 20 skin cases for the skin case 3. So yeah, this one is super popular right now. Only 100 is still left. Let's see, admin command commands. I honestly have not tested this, not really sure what that is. 10,000 keys, 10,000 tickets, and looks like that's all of them. Now I've basically just been redeeming this one every single day. You can only redeem 1 code per day. So once you're on this page, go ahead and select whatever one you want. I'm gonna go with this one. There is only 123 still left. Click get code, and once you're on this page, I'll tell you a little bit of information about the coupon code, and then go ahead and click show coupon code. Now it's going to try to secure a code for you. You can see it says coupon is still valid. So that is a good sign. And once you're on this page, your code will be blurred. So you need to click get full code. It will take you to this page where you do need to complete a quick robot verification. I know this is kind of a pain, but it is 100% free. And this is to prevent robots and spammers from stealing all the keys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it. So basically scroll down, there'll be little apps right here with instructions. You just go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to the App Store. It's 100% free. You just download it directly from the App Store, run it for a few seconds, and then you will be verified. Now, I basically do the same ones every single day. So I do the model one and the world winner one. You just basically open it, leave it open for a few seconds, and then you are verified. And then once you guys are done, you just go back to the website and your code will then be visible right here. Now, I've already done this today, so I will not be able to unlock another code, because if you have multiple devices, like you have an iPad or another mobile device, you can get more than 1 code per day. Now, I'm not recommending abusing the website or anything like that. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. Now, this is a website, Handy Coupons, once again. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm still running that giveaway. And until next time, see ya.